Notice the calm around you, the quiet trees, the gentle light, the steady sound of the water. Allow your thoughts to slow down. Not every thought needs your attention right now. Release the pressure. Your peace matters too. Breathe in slowly, and as you exhale, imagine the heavy energy leaving your body. The stress, the tension, the exhaustion. You are never meant to carry everything alone. Let yourself rest here for a moment. Reset your mind. Reset your heart. Even in darkness, you are still growing. Softness is not weakness. Rest is not failure. You deserve gentleness too. Allow yourself to slow down without guilt. Take a deep breath in and gently exhale. Your existence is already enough. Quietly, naturally, completely. Now take one final slow breath in and gently exhale. Let today go. Allow yourself to feel lighter, calmer, softer, and begin again.